guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to learn something different. Um I've uploaded a video on Kumama Hey Yahweh Kumama Papa hey. So we want to focus on that one. How I played it was just solely by guitar, no singing. So I want to just take you through the tutorial. So we want to take a look at the chord progression. So let's I want to teach you some new trick. I'm going to play only the fourth, third and second string with my picking technique. So try and follow. 4 3 2. So C, F, then G, A minor, A minor, F, G, C, A minor, F, G. So I'm going to skip the second string to the first string. So I'm not just going to skip. When I skip the space in between, I'm going to plug the 1 2 4 3 2. So that's it for the intro. Then Azama Bonwama. So I'll stick to the A minor chord. Now I'll plug the second string, second, then the first, second, 2 times for the first. Then I'll go to the Re. I'll bring my pinky on the third fret, second string, then open the same second string. So the Azama Bonwam, that part is first and second strings. Then F. I'll plug the third string. Then I'll go to the pinky to the third fret. Sorry, Do. Then so I'll provide the specific notes on the screen so that you see you can follow along, so that it doesn't become this video doesn't become too lengthy, so that you'll be able to practice, go back and forth, so that you can watch it and practice it. So let's start. So we are going to use the same chord progression, but we're just going to be flexible enough, not necessarily playing the exact chord. Our fingers are going to change positions, like then I'll play open. This is actually going to help you to be able to play any song with chord progression along, so that even if you don't have anyone singing, you can be playing the song at the same time, um, playing the chord progression, and it sounds beautiful. So we can just follow the beat and see. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Don't forget to give a like. If you have any comments, maybe there's something I had to clarify, especially in this video. Maybe I wasn't able to show everything well, because if I'm to explain everything step by step, I'm going to make this video very lengthy. Maybe you can take a look at the instructions I'll add to the video, then you'll be good to go. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, the notification bell, so you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you, and see you next time.